So I'm getting ready to have my first design consultation with Rockwood Shutters. I have actually partnered with Blinds.com and Rockwood Shutters to put some plantation blinds in our media room as well as our master bedroom. And I am so excited to bring you guys along in the process and share with you all the details. You guys know we got our plantation shutters installed late last year. We went through Blinds.com home shutter program, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it and how easy it was. Basically, we went online and made an appointment with a local designer. It was actually Leah from Rockwood Shutters. She was amazing, and she came and she showed us all the options to choose from, colors, different styles. Ultimately, we went with the Keystone Lightline shutters, and they are a solid white color. They're beautiful. And they came a few weeks later, installed them. It took literally 30 minutes for install of 2 rooms, and I didn't have to lift a finger, which was totally awesome. We're actually going to be working with them again to put some more plantation shutters in our kitchen and breakfast nook area, and I cannot wait to get them installed and show you guys. I want to hop on here and share with you guys one more time the finished product of our Blinds.com plantation shutters. We love them. They turned out so good. They totally transformed our master bedroom and our media room. I've literally always wanted plantation shutters. We always had them growing up, and I thought, you know, these are way too expensive. So I was so excited when Blinds.com wanted to partner with me to put these in our home because I absolutely love the way that they turned out. If you are in the market for new window treatments this new year, Blinds.com is definitely your source.